Hello, health seekers, and welcome to Health Talk Magazine, the place where you come to get expert health information. Hello, I'm Dr. J.L. Johnson, President, CEO, and founder of a company called Dr. J.L. Johnson Enterprises, which are our parent company. And the company that you've heard me talk about a lot is our company, our marketing arm, which is called the Aloe Incorporated. Now today, the show is going to be a little bit longer because I want to talk to all of the nutritionists out there, the herbal health counselors, the health coaches, personal trainers. If you're one of those people out there that want to get into the natural health product business and you want to help people and make money, then you need to listen to this show and you need to take advantage of the opportunity that we're presenting to you right now. First, let's give you a little background about our company and ourselves. And I'm going to stick with our marketing arm, the Aloe Incorporated. The Aloe Incorporated, we are a threefold company. We pride ourselves in research and development. We research herbal medicine, how it affects the body and how to use it and to help the body to heal itself. Number two, product development. We design, formulate, and concoct herbal compounds. And then number three, training and teaching has always been in the forefront of our company. We train and teach people to sell our herbal products and to design individual personal health plans all over this country and many other places around the world. We've been in business for over 43 years out there right now. And we have helped put many people into their own business and have trained and taught those people how to make money in the natural health product business out there. So we're looking for people out there who want to get into their own business in the health product industry. Now, listen, we have a plan for excellence. Let's take a look at the health product industry right now today. Studies suggest that between 2010 and 2021, there was 75% increase in the visit to alternative practitioners. 80% of the world's population exceeded the estimated total number of visits made to all conventional primary physicians in the recent years. And this is happening. More and more people are turning to the natural approach. We positioned ourselves to be there to help those people, to help their bodies to heal itself using the natural approach. The estimated amount paid to alternative practitioners increased exponentially to $175 billion. The total estimate out-of-the-pocket expenses for alternative therapies and products was a whopping $30 billion, in case you don't know that. Ladies and gentlemen, people are sick. Healthcare products will get a significant portion of that $75 billion, and the Aloe Man's products have been specifically designed to target this growing market. By allowing our products to be marketed through one of the most dynamic marketing systems that has ever been developed, we can help you make money with this system. As being chief executive officer for this company, and I started this company over 42 years ago, and today we are a national and international corporation. Even though we are a $1 million company, you may not have heard of us, yet millions have changed their lives as a result of the information we have given them and the use of our products. We have spent millions of dollars in advertising to market our products directly to the public. When you become an independent business owner with the Aloe Man, number one, you come into an approximate $1 billion industry. Number two, you join a company whose product targets a large segment of the industry that we're talking about. Number three, you become part of a national and international corporation. Now let me hang out there for a moment. I built this company both nationally and internationally. We now, in all of our target markets, which we stay in our niche, we have built companies in, just to give you an example, Jamaica, Trinidad, Tobago, all the Virgin Islands, the Dutch Islands, in Nassau, We ship to Canada, England, all of these places our products go right now. And we're looking for people out there who want to be in this industry. The pandemic has set us back just a little bit, but we are now in full mode of training more people to do this. And we train you the right way. We put you in an OJT position, if you know what that means, on-the-job training where you can begin to earn money right away. And also, let me say this. There are many people out there that want to be nutritionists or are nutritionists right now. They're health coaches or they're personal trainers or they're in the health product business. But many of them have paid for schooling and gone through that schooling, but they can't make a proper living because there's some components that are missing from that. And they don't have a company behind them that can give them all of those components that they need to be successful. That's what we do. Now, you can also have a potential to earn immediate cash income. You can have the potential to develop a serious income stream, and you can have access to long-term residual income. Did I say that we were in business for 43 years selling the same products, and all our products are regulated by the FDA, the FTC. Our product has been out there for a long time and has been helping people. Now, here's the business opportunity. The perfect business. As an independent business owner, you will have the ability to build a profitable business without any of the hassles associated with starting a traditional business. Imagine a business with these advantages. No big startup costs, free training. But however, for those that go further in the deep training, we do have training available and there is a cost involved there. No employees, no complicated math or paperwork, free information on how to set up your business, no need for previous experience, and the ability to operate your business from anywhere in the world with just a laptop or a phone. Because the Aloe Incorporated operates both nationally and internationally, you can build your business beyond your local community. You can have a national and international business. Everyone needs our product for one thing or the other. Everywhere you go, people are sick. Now, you will be able to help them to earn long-term residual income. Guess right, we will be able to help you, should I say, to earn long-term residual income. The Aloe training program can help you get started in your new business. So if you're one of those people out there that's in the healthcare business and you really want to make a lot of money, then I want you in this business. And you can. You have the possibility of doing that right here. I want you to call me right now. The telephone number is right there on the screen. I want you to call me. Call me personally, and I will speak to you and show you how you can do this. How do you get started? Well, the opportunity overview. Build your own highly profitable business. Products help you to help people to make all the extra money you want. Make money in 3 fabulous ways. Number 1, through personal sales. Number 2, make money designing health programs. Now, let me hang out there for a moment. We are the only company that I know of in the world that develop health programs for people, for just about any kind of so-called disease at all. We don't treat disease. We leave that to the medical profession. What we do is develop health programs for those people that have those diseases. You see, every person out there that may get cancer or AIDS or whatever, these people need to know what to do. They need to know what to eat. They need to know what herbal products that they need to take. And that's what we do. We provide that information. That makes us unique because I don't think that there's another company out there. I know there's not another company out there to do it the way that we do it. So that's what makes us unique, and that will make you unique, and therefore you will continue to make money for years and years to come. You will also make money on repeat sales. We show you how to develop your own book of business that can assure you of having a steady, high income year after year. When you come to us, we can give you your own URL to just begin with. That means that you can sell anywhere where our product will ship. You can sell products, and we will ship the product out there for you. So I want you to call us. Let me show you how you can make money and how you can help people, first of all. And that's what we do. 2 things. Number 1, we help people to get well. Number 2, we make money. And that's what it's all about, because you can't do if you don't have those two things. What we are looking for in an independent business owner is a person who has, and if you're these people, if you have integrity, honesty, empathy for people who are sick and ailing, you love to help people and to make money, you have the ability to work well with others and desire to be a team player, to respect the feelings of others and to understand that you are a part of a culture. And also, lastly, you have a strong desire to own your own business. I want you to call me. Call me right now. The telephone number is right there, and I will show you how you can get new. If you're a nutritionist, you're a health coach, you're a personal trainer or whatever, you're in the health product business, and you're not making the kind of money that you want to make, call me, and I will show you how you can make the money with our company. Well, I said this show was going to be a little bit long today, and it's a little bit out of what we normally do, but I want you to know that there's an opportunity available for those people out there right now. And I'm making the opportunity available. We have literally trained hundreds of people in order to do this in all places around the world and around the country. And we can train you to do the same thing. We can show you, we give you the support that you need. And you know that support has been there for 43 years for all of those people out there. We've never failed them and we won't fail you. So call me and I will show you how you can help people and make money. Well, it looks like we've come to a close of Health Talk again today, but we're as near as your phone. Just pick up the phone and give us a call. Call me personally, and we will show you how you can make money and help people. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.